Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and it's a little windy in Los Angeles today, but we're out of the shop anyway because I feel that I have to share with you this brand new color from our friends at Inozetek. This is a color change PPF film called Satin Metallic Tungsten Gray. This is a dry applied PPF that completely transforms the color of your Cybertruck from the existing stainless steel panels to this really cool tungsten gray finish. I think it looks really great. There's a lot of similar other colors from Inozetek that have maybe a little bit more gray in it, maybe a little bit more silver or some green or gold. They are covering all the bases. This one's really cool, and what I like the most about this build is that this is a world's first for you guys to see our 22-inch CT7 fully forged wheels finished in cyber bronze. Kudos to this customer that decided to go ahead and trust us and our design team to go cyber bronze, because as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. Cyber bronze is a trending color, and in Cybertruck, I actually think this colorway would look good on any color wrap. What do you guys think? Would you rock cyber bronze 24s on your Cybertruck? And if so, do you think it matches with almost all the popular colors out there? I can't wait to go ahead and do a gloss black or a satin black Cybertruck with satin cyber bronze finished 24-inch wheels. Anyway, back to the wrap. PPF is the way to go. It's going to go ahead and protect your stainless steel underneath. It's going to go ahead and be very easy for cleanup, soap and water. The film's hydrophobic, comes with a great warranty, and you've changed the color of your Cybertruck. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.